Aloha, this is Joshua Bowles with Lyric Woodwork and Snake Road Sawmill. And I've almost died many times doing this work, especially in the logging part of it. We'll be out in the woods with the Alaska mill, slinging chainsaws around these logs, one wrong move, and you could get crushed in an instant. We've got all this wood, we've got it in the back of the truck, we could die. And so you can ask I've asked myself, like, what am I doing? Because it's furniture, like you can buy a table anywhere. And it caused me to reflect on what are we actually doing as woodworkers? Like, what's our real role in the world? What gift do we have to give? And last night I was at the mill, it was a full moon, and we just put this, we had this log on there, and it made me think that what we're doing is, this is God's creation, and we're like the vessels for bringing the beauty of that creation to light and to life. And when I think about it like that, any of those sacrifices, any of those risks, it all makes sense. And this is the piece of wood that brought about all these reflections. I think you might see why. What a magnificent piece of wood.